Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with another demo, and this demo is basically related to Power BI with online and desktop versions. Okay, so once I'll deliver this file with you, I'll be delivering only one file, which is this Don Fabio dash version 3. I've made a copy just to show you that in the demo because I'm going to change the sources and I don't want to disturb the original file. So I've just made a copy of the same file. And this is the file which I'm going to share with you. So once you download it, you will see it in this way with the yellow icon and this bar diagram. You just need to double click on this and let it open in the Power BI desktop version. Once the file will be open, there are two ways to link the new data with it. So one is this one. You can simply download from wherever you are getting the data, maybe from CRM or some other source. You just need to have these two files, CRM new and sales dash file. And once the file are open, you can simply change the source and navigate it to the new folder wherever it is located. Currently, it is located in my folder, but obviously this is not going to work for you. Though the data is there with the file, but once you are trying to change the source, it's going to ask you for the files. All right, so let me show you how you can do that. You can always delete this page number 2. You do not need this page number 2. I'll simply just delete the page number 2 and you can always keep the page number 1. Let me hide those on the right side so that you can see the maximum size of the dashboard. All right, so this is the dashboard which is already working, and you can see if I'll select anything, this is totally interactive and this is going to work for anything. All right. Okay, so you need to go to the files, go to options and settings, click on data source setting, click on the file. So currently you can see this file is located on my desktop in the folder called CRM new. So you need to click on this change source. You need to click on browse so that you can navigate it to the actual file folder. For example, this is the file. Though this is the exact same file which is located in this path, but I'm just changing it. So it will consider it as a new file. I'll click OK, then I'll click on the sales file, change source, then I will locate it to the folder by clicking on the browse and go to the folder. Just open the folders wherever it is located in yours for you, and just simply click the double click on the sales file, or maybe click and open and click OK and then click close. So this will take it, if this will consider it, okay, this is a new, you have just changed the source. So you need to click on the apply changes because these are the changes you just made. So I'll click on apply changes and wait for a while. You can see it is evaluating. It's finding for all the fields which are necessary for to build this dashboard. And if there will be any issues, those will get highlighted. Otherwise, it will continue working. So loading the data model, loading everything, fetching the files, 50 rows loaded, and everything is getting updated. That is, you can see on the right circles, the dotted circles are rotating. Okay, now this is one way. If you want to upload the new data from your desktop PC, all right. But if you have a file, which I prefer to put it in the OneDrive. So what I've done, I have placed my file in my OneDrive. As you can see, those are in here. You can place those in any place of your OneDrive, and then you need to go to the copy version. Then again, go to file, options. Maybe let me show you the short one. Okay, so the dashboard is open. This is exactly the dashboard which I just changed the source for. Now I'll click on the transform and click on this advanced editor once the file is open. So you have currently selected the Conde, which is the CRM data. Click on this, go to the advanced editor, wait here, and then you need to go back to the file. So CRM file, you need to click on the three dots, go to the details section, which is at the bottom. Scroll down here, you will find the path. Just click on it, the file path will get copied. Go back to the file location. This is the CRM new. Select the file path, the whole path from with the extension so that it can change. And Control V. Just paste the path and go to the left side where it says file, change it to web and click done. All right, now you need to click on the sales, do the same, go to the advanced editor, change this file up front with the word web, go back to the file where it is located, click on the sales, go to details, scroll down, copy the path, jump back into your Power BI, select the path which was earlier for your desktop. Now I'm going to click it for the online version, click on done, and you can see no errors. If there will be any issue, those will get popped up in here. Apply and save, and here you will see the data will get evaluated, connected, loaded, and everything is working fine. So this is how you can change the source from your like instead of these files, you can directly connect these files from your desktop and OneDrive. I have explained both.